Hi friends, good morning and good evening to all of you. So as in last video we discussed about SQL transformation, and inside that SQL transformation we discussed about connected one. Now in this video we will try to discuss about unconnected stored procedure transformation. Okay, so we have taken our same source, okay, as employee table, target as employee underscore sp, and we have taken the same stored procedure which would, what it will do, it will increment your salary by 10%, okay, based on your incoming field, which is your employee id. But here, in spite of your connected stored procedure, what we will do, we will do unconnected stored procedure transformation. Okay, so what you have to do, simply first of all you have to take in your source, and you have to uh, connect your source to target table. Okay, between that, what we have done here, we have taken expression transformation. Okay, so while taking expression transformation, once you connect this expression transformation, what you have to do, you have to drag and drop your sql transformation from here. Okay, if you see here, this is option. From here you can drag and drop your sql transformation. But if you see, in case first time you make drag and drop this sql transformation, your this incoming and output icons would be enabled. So what you need to do, how can you make sql transformation as unconnected one? First of all, so let me click on this sql one. Okay, if you see here, this is our incoming field, this is our sql field. Okay, so what you need to do here, you have to do same thing as usual, which we did in the last video. But here you will see this checkbox. So first of all, you have to click this checkbox as unconnected stored procedure. Okay, once you click this checkbox, automatic your incoming and output, input and output option will get disabled from this sql transformation, and automatically it will become unconnected. Okay, first thing. Second thing, now what is our requirement, we have to use this sql transformation inside this expression transformation. So what we can do, so what we have done, we have corrected all the incoming fields which are coming from source to your expression transformation. Okay, after that, you have to go to this expression option. Okay, in this expression option, what we have done, we have taken two new ports. One is your variable, another one is your output port. In this output port, you have to call from your this output port will contain value of your variable field. That's all. Now main important part is your this expression part. Okay, so what you have to do here, first of all, let me first remove this part. Okay, so that you can better understand. So what you have to do here, you have to first, like once you click on this expression part, you have to select this built-in function. Okay, once you click on this built-in function, you will see this option of stored procedure. Okay, and once you click on this stored procedure, you have to just click on this sql transfer part. First thing, one more thing to note down here, in case you haven't dragged and dropped any unconnected sql transformation inside this mapping. Okay, so this option will not come to visible to you. Okay, once you drag and drop any sql transformation inside this mapping and make that sql transformation as unconnected, only in that case you will able to see this option. Okay, you can try from your end also. First thing. Second important thing, let me validate this thing. So what error we are going here, first of all let me provide some input field. Okay, let me go to first field option. Okay, so what is my input field? My input field is uh, employee id. Okay, let me validate again. Yeah, so now, so what you need to, so output field, what you can do, whatever output is coming from your database. Okay, in database, what is your output? O underscore emp cell. Okay, so that output you cannot take it here. Okay, so to make it everything in sync, what IICS is done, so by default, for output, what you have to do here, you have to put this proc result. Okay, only in that case it would work. Okay, so let us validate this thing. This got validated now. Okay, after that, what we have done, we have connected this variable port, uh, has been taken as value of this output port. This is our output port. Okay, and whatever value is coming from this expression would be assigned to this variable port, and value which is coming from your variable port would get assigned to your output port. Okay, that's all. Now that, after that, what we have done, we have connected our expression to target. Okay, same target which you have taken here. Okay, now field mapping. So as usual, we have connected all the fields which are coming from your expression to target and out o underscore out salary. Okay, what we have done, we have connected to your uh, increment salary. Okay, so that's all from this part. So let me validate this and run this. Okay, so for the timing it is running. So let us like summarize each and everything which we have discussed so far. Okay, so SQL transformation. So in SQL transformation, what we have done here, in my previous video, what I have done, I have used direct query. Okay, direct query I have used. Okay, like I have joined employee ID on the basis of department ID. So that we have done. Okay. So first video we have done here. In next video, what we have done stored procedure transformation. In inside stored procedure, we have discussed connected and unconnected. So in case of connected, we got option of field bypass. So directly we have bypass like connected all the fields as well. Okay, from source and target. In case of unconnected one, we have used expression transformation, and inside that expression transformation we have called that unconnected stored procedure transformation. Okay, so let us see if it got executed. It got executed. Let us see. That's all from this video. I hope we discussed the very important things, and it will be definitely would be useful in some way or another way in your project or any of your interviews. Okay, whether you are giving interview from IICS or power center, but in this way you can relate each and everything. If you like this video, please try to subscribe this thing and like put the bell icon. Thank you.